All right, guys, so we got them set up. I'm gonna go and show you guys. So these aren't it. These are smaller ones that we have. You can see one way down there. And let's go and show you guys. So I have them set. That one is set on low, and this one is set a little higher. But they are working great. Great and secure. Overall, we love them. Yeah, they're working good. Hello my friends, and welcome back. So today we're checking out this 25 LED solar outdoor light. It is a 2-pack, heat resistant, waterproof, frost resistant. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and then set it outside so you guys can see what it looks like at nighttime. Alright, so comes with a manual, but looks pretty simple, pretty easy to put together, so I think we can easily do that. So this is what it looks like. A lot of LEDs in there. Got the solar panel on the top here. Underneath you have USB port, so you can actually power this with a USB if you wanted to, with a cable. They provide them if you want, or you can just use solar outside. So if we can block this here, it's kind of hard to block it, but if we block this, a little hard here. Here we go. There you go. You guys can see. Let's try the different modes here. So high, medium, low, off. So we'll probably keep it on medium. So putting these together is a very simple. You have two brackets here. So this is for mounting on a wall, siding, or wherever. So if you guys want to mount it, you can go ahead and do it that way. But if you just want to put it in the ground, then what you do is you line this up, pop this in. Once you pop it in place, you're good to go. This would get stuck in the ground. And for this, very simple. You line this up. Here we go. So we line it up like this. And you put the bolt through. So probably it's easiest just to start like this. So you got the groove line facing there. You have this groove line facing outward. You line this up, put that in like that. Thread this in like this. This allows you to adjust it. Keep it loose until you are ready. Then you can fully adjust it. Once you're ready at the position, you just twist this hard, and then it's stuck in place and good to go. It's very simple, my friends. Very, very simple. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys what they look like at nighttime. All right, guys, so we got them set up. I'm gonna go and show you guys. So these aren't it. These are smaller ones that we have. You can see one way down there. And let's go and show you guys. So I have them set. That one is set on low, and this one is set a little higher. But they are working great. Great and secure. Overall, we love them. Yeah, they're working good.